So let's get started. Let me just close the curtain and then maybe switch on the other light. So I think I've decided I'm going to leave this chair here because this is where I'm going to sit in another chair, just so that you can see how you can just decorate your background. It doesn't have to be fancy, it doesn't have to be special. So this ring light is the one that is going to give us light. I'm going to use artificial light today. And then yellow must move here. So this is a backdrop as it is. This is the backdrop as it is. Whatever curtain that you have, just make sure that the curtain that you are using is not so busy. You know, it doesn't have a lot of funny patterns that can distract the eyes of the viewers, because at the end of the day, you are the focus. We want to see your face. We want to, you know, resonate with your eyes. We want to resonate with what you're saying. We want to make eye contact with you. So let me just quickly bring in a few things that we can just add to spice up. You know, I've decided to bring in another chair because I believe everyone has a chair in their home and they can just basically start with what they have, right? Now, depending on what your channel is about, on what you want to share with your channel, you can go ahead now and spice up your background. If you are more into technology, if you are reviewing phones, if you are reviewing cars, you know, just put something that is in relation with what you're going to talk about. This is basically for people that are doing sit-down videos. You need something in relation to your channels, in relation to your topic. If you are into beauty, I think a flower is enough. Flowers like this is okay. Flowers will be okay. A frame of you and your spouse, a frame of yourself, you can just, you know, add it there. So this is basically what I'm going to do now. This is a very special clay pot that was given to me by my mom. So yeah, it's traditional in there, and just try to decorate it somehow. So I'm also going to add my fairy lights. You have seen them before. These are my fairy lights. You have seen them before. So basically what I'll do, they're already folded, so I put them nicely in here. I'm not saying you must go and buy these, guys, only if you can afford. And but like these ones, they're not really expensive, the fairy lights. I bought them in Chinatown years ago. I can't remember for how much, but I think it was less than $50, man. Even now, you can just simply go to Chinatown or anywhere else. You know, let's plan them like that. The side that you feel is going to be on the people, on camera, is the one that you want to fill with flowers. Because, yeah, just something like that. You know, so I'll put it here. I'll put it at the edge. I think, let me put on the ring light. Maybe you guys are not even seeing what I'm doing. Of what is going on. So basically, this is what we look like. This is basically what we look like. So alrighty, guys, I'm using these 3 chairs, as you can see, and yeah, let's continue. So like I've mentioned, these are the flowers, and I said the bulky part is the side way, you know, it's going to be in the camera, so we want to push that a little bit further at the back, and then we have it coming off like that. Be careful, guys, be careful if you're using breakable stuff, because why I'm moving it to the edge is the fact that I don't want this whole black chair thing to be seen. You know, I just want this flower in the frame, so we'll see how we're gonna work out around that. And then this side, also I have another black chair. This chair, guys, I'm just using the basics. So this one we're gonna put, this is a lovely watch that I got as a wedding present from my Kazor. I call her Kazor, we call each other Kazor, but we are sisters. You know, in Africa there's no cousin story, we are sisters. So thank you so much, Kazor, thank you. Don't ask me where she, I don't know, it was a present, I don't know where she bought it. So this I'm going to put here. I'm going to pull this chair a bit forward, so that you can clearly, so that we can have our set. Let me just also move the ring light a bit back so that you can also see what I'm talking about. This will just act as the background, okay? It's there, it's still visible, and then we have our baby there. My goodness. Oh, not today, not today. Satan. Now you can go ahead, and accessorize your chair. But obviously, if I sit right now, you'll not even see that there's something under, or so it's not necessary. This is just extra for that may using a bit bulky chair. Then yeah, I just want to show you how you can do it. So now at this point, I'm going to use this is just a throw. It's gray in color. I can decide to put it there just for my bum. If you're going to sit here for 5 hours, you're going to record 3 videos, you need something. If not this, if you have a pillow, go ahead and add a pillow. So let's go ahead again. I have these 2 pillows, Mr. Price. The other one I already lessened. So you can have it as your bed, or you can use this one. If it's bigger, if you're using a bulky chair, then you can put them like this, and then you go ahead and sit like this. Wow, I never really thought of doing this, but I think I might try it in my next video. Let me put this together. I think this looks fancier, on a budget. So over here, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see. Okay, if you don't have these pillows, I've shown you these pillows. I think these are my house colors, so don't be surprised when you see red and gray too much. Mugelo just love the 2 colors. So let me put them like that. Alrighty, and then push them backwards. So remember the story about branding, choosing a color palette for your channel or for your business? Well, I think I might consider doing it because this looks really well, looks pretty good. It does. So the gray, we need to change it. Though I use a bit of gray on my channel for my thumbnails, the red, it's also part of my branding. It's also part of my color palette. So yeah guys, so this is what we look like. I think I should lower down the camera so that you can see the overview of the whole thing. So hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're just testing the background. So this is basically how it will look like. My feet are in, part of the bed is in, but that we're going to sort out when we are editing. My face is shining, so hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to see if I can edit a short. I'll edit a short video for you guys just to show how we can cancel all these chairs. I think it's not working for me. So let me see if I can elevate it, because really I don't want the chair in. So let me see if I can just elevate the height of this. I think I can actually use my files. So honey, you gotta be creative when you're a content creator. You see that? You see that? The secret is to move forward so that you can have the background in. Woo! I love that. I love that. But now then it's too much on me. Then I have to move the tripod further. So let's move the tripod there. Oh, but the problem now is the bed. The problem is the bed. So let's see if we can fix that. So let me just show you how it looks behind the scenes. So again guys, this is how the setup looks like from here. So in my room, just a small corner that I'm using, and that is a ring light that I'm using. It's angled at 45 degrees, and then That's my phone there with a little tripod, and then I was drinking some juice, the laptop, and then our kind of background story going on here. And then yeah, this is where I'm going to sit. The first chair, the second chair, the third chair. Ooh, Kazo, I'm grateful. Okay, so, and this is how the front looks. My bed. So that's the phone that I'm using to record. I was playing some music, and then that's my laptop. I use it to mirror my self, to see what is going on in my background, to see how if my face is looking okay. So that's how the back looks with only using my curtain. This is the setup, so let's try to shoot a video and see how it looks. Oh, we got enough room for my head now. So welcome guys, we did it. That's the struggle of using one source of light, you know. That's why it's important, if you are recording it during the day, make use of the natural light, because it will light everything on your face. No shadows, no whatsoever. This is how my setup looks like. I have one ring light that is 45 degrees on my right, so it helps to illuminate this whole area. It's up there because I want to make sure that it also illuminates the background, the top of my head, and also my face can still look crispy. Okay guys, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of such videos, and let me know what you think about this background. Are you gonna try it or not? You know, with this background, literally, for a makeup artist or for anybody who is doing something, you know, tutorial videos, you know, or how-to videos, you can have a table here, then you can show us how you do your makeup. You literally, you know, with all these beautiful things around you. Where's your background? So guys, if you want to see more of these videos, let me know. It was nice guys having you. In the meantime, quickly go check this playlist on YouTube tips. If you want to start a YouTube channel, or you just started your YouTube channel, you need ideas on tips on how to grow your channel, on how to stay consistent on YouTube, on how to, you know, build a YouTube brand that is unforgettable. A whole lot of YouTube things are in that playlist. So guys, make sure you go check it out. I'll see you there.